This video is designed to walk you through the Acknowledgements page of your Science Fair logbook. The Acknowledgements page is on page 7 of your logbook, so go ahead and scroll to that. A few pointers for you before you get started with this. This is a spot for you to go ahead and give credit to anyone that has helped you with your science fair project so far. So if your parents helped you to buy materials, if you used a resource outside of science, feel free to quote that person or that guide. If you have used me, if you've stayed after school and gotten extra help, feel free to mention my name. If you talk to Mrs. Sheastel, mention her. This is the place where you give credit, just like you're going to cite your sources in your bibliography at the end. If someone helped you with your writing, if someone helped you with your ideas, if someone helped you with your procedure or helped you to gather materials, this is the spot where you can acknowledge them as well. This is also the only place in your entire logbook that it is okay to use I. Your acknowledgements are your thanks to these people that have given you help. And so it is okay to say, I would like to thank so-and-so for their help with this part of my project. As a matter of fact, I would encourage you to. This is the place to be a little more personal. So in my example here, I'm going to actually start that way. I would like to thank, and then fill in the blank. I'd like to thank Mrs. Sheastel. I can't spell her name. For, and this is where I'm going to then fill in what she's done for me, for helping and every thank you that you give, every acknowledgement that you put down on this sheet should be specific. It should be about one or two specific things that this person did to help you. Now, it's okay if you only have one person to thank. It's okay if you have 5 people to thank. What I do not want to see is an acknowledgements page that is blank. Challenge yourself to think of at least 2 people that have helped you along the course of this project. So you should have 2 sentences at a bare minimum on your acknowledgements page. Each sentence is thanking a person for a specific role that they played in helping you with your project, in your materials gathering, in use of facilities, in guiding you toward what you were going to do or how you were going to format all of your pieces that you've done to this point. This is really a page for you. I'm not going to do a lot of editing for you or suggesting commenting on this page, but do make sure that it's done and make sure that you put some thought into what you say. Any questions, let me know.